Hi everyone, this video is going to be in English because I want to raise a question to CBSE regarding their syllabus structure of science of class 9th and 10th that they have made post-COVID. Pre-COVID, the syllabus was different. Post-COVID, the syllabus has been changed. A few chapters have been excluded from the syllabus. Now, many chapters have been excluded, but pointing out to 2 to 3 chapters combining 9th and 10th, I think it is a huge blunder that they have made. And here is why. Let me explain why I am saying this. First of all, if you look at the class 9 syllabus of pre-COVID, on the left hand side of your screen, you will see this is class 9 syllabus 2019 pre-COVID. There was a chapter called Diversity of Living Organisms. And on the right hand side is the current syllabus where this chapter has been omitted from the book. Now, diversity in living organisms basically deals with taxonomy. Taxonomy means how you categorize organisms into different groups, how you morphologically and anatomically you will categorize organisms and know which organism falls into which category and why. If this basic knowledge of biology is not given to students at the school level, how do you expect students to gain more interest into biology and know what biology actually is all about and go on and select biology in class 11th and 12th? With proper knowledge on taxonomy, a student gets a better idea of what he is going to face in biology in the coming years. Taxonomy is the fundamental basis of biology. You ask any teacher and they will tell you the same thing, that taxonomy is the fundamental basis of biology. Identification of organisms, classifying them, and then giving them a proper name. This is how biology started. If you don't teach the students the fundamentals of biology, if you remove it from the syllabus itself, how do you expect the students to like biology and actually understand what biology means? This is not the only one. If you will also see another chapter from class 9th itself, chapter 13 that was there, and you can see in your screen, it is Why Do We Fall Ill? This chapter has been again removed. Now this chapter deals with the very basics of microbiology. How bacteria, virus, protozoa, fungus causes disease, these pathogens, how they affect us. This is the very foundation of microbiology. Another very important subject in biology, and students are not getting aware about these topics in their syllabus. The next point I would like to make is from class 10 syllabus. In class 10 syllabus, you can see on the left hand side of your screen, there was chapter 5. This chapter 5 was periodic classification of elements in chemistry. On the right hand side, this chapter has been completely removed. Periodic classification of elements deals with the basic understanding of periodic table, which is the fundamental basic concept of chemistry. Now, as a teacher of class 10, when I go on and try to explain them what is a chemical reaction, how acid bases work, how organic chemistry works, and at the same time, if I don't give the student an idea about what is a periodic table and how the characteristics of elements change from left to right, from top to bottom in a periodic table, how do you expect the student to get a proper idea of how chemical reactions actually work and their interest? How do you expect them to have more interest in chemistry? As a teacher, we try to teach chemistry periodic table. I think most of the teachers will try to teach chemistry with periodic table in it. And I think some of us do, but at the same time, when we try to teach periodic table in our classrooms, most of the students will not go back home and take out this chapter and study it by themselves because they will feel like this chapter is not there in the syllabus. So it will not help them gain marks. And this is a common understanding. So if you remove 3 essential subjects, one is the basic of biology, one is the basis of microbiology, and the other is the basis of chemistry, periodic table. For God's sake, periodic table is one of the most important chapters in chemistry. If you have proper understanding of periodic table, chemistry becomes extremely easy and fun for you. But what the CBSE has decided, they have decided to remove this from the school syllabus post-COVID. Now, this is my question, and I would also like to ask the teachers how you tackle this situation, because what I have been trying to do and what you are doing, let us all try to understand what approach do we have so that we can actually improve the better future of the students. So this video is directly forwarded for CBSE and I would like to get an answer. I don't know if this video will ever reach them. But if anyone from any higher authority actually gets to see this video, kindly explain what was the thought process behind removing these chapters and what can we as teachers and what can the students do to actually get a better understanding of these subjects. Thank you.